If you need to cancel a pending Lyft transaction, follow these steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. This guide will help you navigate the cancellation effectively. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your ride history and pending transactions. Step 2. Access ride history. Tap on the menu icon or your profile picture to open the menu. From there, select ride history to view your recent rides and any pending transactions. Step 3. Locate the pending transaction. Scroll through your ride history to find the pending transaction you wish to cancel. It should be marked as pending or in progress. Step 4. Select the transaction. Tap on the pending transaction to open its details. This will provide you with more information about the ride and the option to cancel. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the /com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel a pending Lyft transaction before it completes. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Lyft support for further assistance.